Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today is my full review on the brand new Huawei Mate 20 Lite, so let's get into the video. So first of all, let's take a look around our brand new device. Moving to the top of our device, you're going to see your microphone, so there's just one little microphone on top of here. Coming down the right hand side, you're going to find your volume rockers and your power sleep wake button. There's no texture difference between these two buttons, which is a shame, as I know they have provided this on previous models. Turning to the bottom of our device, you're going to have your speaker grill. You also have another microphone. You have a USB-C connection for syncing and charging, and it offers fast charging. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack as well built in, so no need for a dongle. Taking a look down the left hand side, you're going to see just your SIM card slot and SD card slot. So it's a nano size SIM card and it's an SD card up to 256GB, and this device offers 64GB of onboard storage. The back and the front of the device is made up of a glass body, and on the back you've got a gradient color, so that's where you get that shimmer and shine from this sapphire blue that looks absolutely amazing. And the frame is an aluminium frame. The thickness of this device is 7.6mm thick, so it's quite a thin device. So with the device made up of two glass panels and an aluminium frame, it does have a nice weight to it, and it weighs 172 grams, so you do know you're feeling a device in your hand. So turning to the rear of our device, first of all you're going to notice two cameras here. So we have a dual camera setup. The top lens is a 20 megapixel RGB lens. This has an aperture of f1.8. Underneath that is a 2 megapixel depth lens. You've also got a dual tone flash. This can record video in 1080p at 60 frames per second. The camera comes equipped with AI photography, bokeh effects, AI assistant composition, and then underneath that as well you also have your fingerprint sensor for a range of different security options on this device. Looking at the bottom as well, you just have some branding from Huawei. Moving on to the key aspect that you're always going to be looking at, and that is the display. Yes, it has a notch with two built-in cameras, which we'll talk about in a minute, but the display is actually made up of Huawei's Full View Display 2.0, so it's an upgraded system compared to last time. The display size is 6.3 inch from corner to corner, and it's an FHD+. The resolution of the display is 1080 by 2340, giving us a pixel density of 409. The screen gives an 81% screen to body ratio, so you're going to see more screen, less frame, always a good thing. As you can see, we have a notch design built in, and this holds two cameras as well. So this holds a 24 megapixel RGB fusion pixel camera, and that's an f2.0, and it also has a 2 megapixel depth camera as well. Video recording is possible with this, with up to 1080p resolution. So the cameras offer a selfie experience and use great lighting effects and have fun selfies as well. And as you can see from the bright, vibrant colors, there are so many different colors on this device, as 16.7 million colors. So the notch is on here, but the notch is so usable now. We know the notch is going to be here on devices. Thanks to Huawei and one of its settings, you can actually change that. So if you go in settings, then display, and then in display you have a notch option. So simply tap down here at the bottom, and this will dismiss the notch totally. So just do a thick black bar across the top, and that's up to you if you use that option. I'm so used to a notch now on my device, it's okay. So this device offers AI throughout the device. So when I went to Huawei's event out in Germany, we talked about this device. They were talking about AI right through the device, and that's really key here. Thanks to EMUI 8.2 and Android 8.1, the AI features are in most areas. So you've got Game Suite is one key thing. So Game Suite from Huawei is a little bit different compared to other options. So if we go into Game Suite, so I'm just going to search for Game Suite here. I'm going to jump into Game Suite. So inside Game Suite, we can see all our games, and you can add your games as well. It will try to auto detect. Then you have options down here at the bottom. One option for GPU Turbo, which improves graphics, processing efficiency, and offer an impeccable mobile experience. This is only available on PUBG Mobile and Mobile Legends for the moment. Then also you have a do not disturb, but you can still answer calls, or the most important notifications will come through. So let's have a quick look at them now.
All troops deployed. Charge! Don't be a jelly.
So now we've got to go and find our enemies. But the game looks crisp, clean, and it works very well. I haven't had any network issues either, thanks to AI, because it's very good at keeping connection either between Wi-Fi or your 4G connection.
First blood. You have slain an enemy. Has been slain. Show me your strength. What else can you do? team destroyed a turret. You destroyed a turret. Godlike. You have been slain.
Okay, so we're ready to start here. So due to my eyesight, I do like to play games, but on here it's quite hard to see all the different things and then trying especially to see an enemy. So moving around, you can see it's fluid and it flies around with simple ease. There's no lagging, there's no drop as well. With that GPU turbo turned on, it's really enhancing the gameplay here. So this device will be able to play Fortnite as well for anyone that is interested in playing Fortnite. And I know there'll be a lot of users out there asking me that question. Yes, this device will play Fortnite. It does meet the minimum requirements that is needed. Right, so now we have landed. Let's see if we can find some weapons before we start getting shot at. Okay, so here's some shots already. So I really hope that was on camera. I think it was, which is cool. I don't know why they didn't just shoot me. They were sort of like... You can really enjoy the extra power and performance that GPU Turbo gives thanks to AI in the game suite from Huawei. With EMUI 8.2 over Android 8.1, you get an extra feel and AI is empowered throughout the device. You get extra features, so you get AI communication. This is where it's going to really try its best to either switch from Wi-Fi to network to give you the best possible connection when in a call. You have AI game suites, which I've shown you there. You've got AI in your cameras as well, taking great photographs and giving so much more. In the gallery, you have AI gallery options that can help you search different objects, different people and locations. And then finally, you have 360-degree face unlock. So this device offers a face unlock, which works very simple and very easy. Also provided is a fingerprint sensor built onto the rear, which is quick and fluid. So if we just lock our device again, and around there you can see the device is unlocked and ready to use. It's in a great position as well. It's a natural position. You have to be a little bit careful that you're not touching your cameras all the time, but it's in a natural position. It's better than on the side of the camera. So talking about the cameras, they are awesome. There is a dedicated review on the cameras on my channel, but inside here you have AI gallery. So the AI is in the gallery to help you search images by different locations, people, objects and things. There's 22 different categories that it tries to put your photographs into. One other great feature of the camera is smart shopping experience. This is where it uses Amazon UK. And when taking a photograph, it will load that product on its page if it recognizes it, giving you different prices and then different products relating to that. Also, you can double tap on the screen as well, and this will do the same with a photograph of a product. It's a very clever technology. So that is all in my camera review video, which is now live on the channel. So this device also has a Huawei Histon Sound 5.0. So enjoy immersive music experiences with Histon 3D sound audio systems. So 5 sound effects to choose from: 3D immersive, grand 3D immersive, wide, fidelity, normal, smart. So when you open your music application here, at the top left you've got a sound option inside here, and then through headphones only you can choose different options to change and adjust your music depending on your choice. So it's really nice. That option is also built into the device. So this device also offers a lot of power and performance, all to run them AI features on here and run your device in general. It's fast, it's snappy, it's movement, it's fluid as well, which I really like to see. Going through the display seems ever so easy, not laggy at all, and very quick for the face unlock, and just going through simple processes of your device seems quick, smooth and very easy to do. So talking about performance, inside here is the new generation chipset, which is the Kirin 710 chip with AI capability, which we've talked about. It has a 12 nanometer processor, which offers an octa-core processor. So you have 4 cores running at 2.2 gigahertz, and that's the the Cortex A73, and there's 4 cores running at 1.7 GHz. That's the Cortex A53. It also has 4 GB of RAM. The GPU inside is a Mali G51 MP4, so this is where you're going to enjoy all your gaming aspects, and that GPU turbo on board as well makes your games more enjoyable. Moving on to another key area that most people are interested in, and that's the battery on this device. The battery is 3,750 mAh battery, and this is rather large, and it means that you can game for a lot longer or enjoy your device a lot longer. So they're saying for an average user this should last about 2 days, 2.5 days depending on your use. For a heavy user like me, it's going to last 1.5 days, and this is true for me using games, for using the device in general, and then when I was using it for the camera shots, I done it in my camera review, it lasted really well. I was using all different features on the device, looking at my photographs, and the brightness was up high and it didn't drop. It was really good, the percentage stayed high, and I found the device very usable in that aspect. But with USB-C and quick charging, it's there. It's great and easy to use. Then to finish off my review, I want to talk about the cameras, and that's the main aspect of this device, as there are 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the rear, which I went through the specs, but let's just talk about what more they can do. Thanks to AI, you've got AI built out through the camera systems, making it very easy and enjoyable to use. So inside here I discussed everything about the camera in my camera review. So if we toggle AI on here, this is the green shadow option, this will master your photography for you, giving you great shots. You also have AI composition, you have the smart shopping experience, and AI scenery that with 22 different categories is going to try and recognize what you're taking a photograph of, and a text box will appear here. So also you have 3D portrait lighting options. You have a range of different lighting options, again, which I went through in the review. It's just so nice that it is there and been able to use and have fun with. And one final thing is AR fun. So you can have fun with AR and 3D Q emojis. Moving on to my personal thoughts, enjoyment of this device. That's one key thing. I've really enjoyed using it. It's been quick, sharp, very user friendly, really good accessibility settings on here with all different motions as well, of like flipping your phone over, raising it to speak, and all other features on here. Please go and check out my accessibility video. The UI and Android 8.1 has been really smooth and really enjoyable to use. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Battery's lasted me a long time. I've really enjoyed that as well. I hate charging my device. Thanks to USB-C and quick charging, we're away and we're done and ready to go. The cameras are the main feature of this phone. So there are 4 of them, and I've really enjoyed using all 4 of them and having great fun with them. The power and performance inside the device is good as well. I think the RAM could be a little bit higher. One other little thing I want to talk about is the slipperiness of this device. Please put a case on it. I think it's better with a case. I do recommend a case for this device as it is very slippery. One other thing as well, here in the UK it costs about £379, and that's a good price for what you're getting. It's a good price. So looking at the market at the moment, £379 is a good price for the specs you're getting. I'm just a little bit worried about the competitors and what they're coming up with and what price ranges they are looking at. So please bear that in mind, and if you have any questions or queries about the Huawei Mate 20 Lite, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Please hit the video with a like and also subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updated with all my latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.